from Sagar Civic School, 14 Chandigarh. Today I am here to represent my model on conic section. It is very interesting topic of mathematics. Conic section. By the name, we can say that it is the small section cut by the plane of a cone. I represent here for circle, ellipse, hyperbola, and parabola. These also have different properties and general equations. As I wrote it on chart. Circle, general equation x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Similarly, parabola y square equal to 4ax, ellipse and hyperbola. These all are have different properties and real life uses. It can use in physics like when we calculate missile projection. I currently have two real life uses of this. Here our concept in which parabolic speakers is used when there is a loud crowd needed clear voice and long distance propagation. So parabolic speaker send sound to very clear and long distance. And in ellipse I designed a model which illustrates that when we put two substances at different focus and throw to any ball that in focus like this. So this is all my model. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Jai Hind, I am Vanchika Gupta, a student of class +2 from Sharda Sarvitkari Model Senior Secondary School, and today I am here to explain my model on the topic SHM. Now, what is SHM? SHM is the to and fro motion of a particle about its mean position under a restoring force that is directly proportional to the displacement and is always in the opposite direction to that of the displacement. So now, SHM is the backbone of almost everything around us, from vehicles to skyscrapers, from musical instruments to seismographs. So now let us first start with pendulum clock. So you can see that in this pendulum moves to and fro about its mean position, which controls the gears inside the clock. This is how it similarly is based in swing under the restoring force, that is the force of gravity. Now next is Friedel project. So when we move the upper circular disc, along with it moves the lower circular disc in uniform circular motion, which motion is transferred to the piston inside the box by the wooden rod. This is the principle that is also used in internal combustion engines, steam engines, air compressors, etc. Next is vehicle suspension system. So you can see that we have installed springs here. So when the car moves, it hits a bump. There is a kinetic energy which is converted into the heat energy by the shock absorbers. In cars and bikes, mostly hydraulic shock absorbers are used. Next is seismograph. It is an instrument that is used to detect any vibrations caused in the Earth's surface due to seismic waves caused due to earthquake, volcanic eruption, etc. So when during the earthquake, the motion of the surface is there, we have a suspended mass that remains at rest due to inertia. The relative motion between these two is recorded in the form of oscillations, which tells us the magnitude, intensity, location of the earthquake caused. Next are these musical instruments. So you can see that we have strings in these instruments. So when these are plugged, they convert the vibrations of the particle to and fro about their mean position, and hence the sound is produced. This is how it also works in guitar. Next we have a flute. It has air columns in it. By setting the particles into vibration about their mean position to and fro, sound is produced. Next is earthquake resistance building. So when it moves during earthquake, the tuned mass dampers move in the opposite direction, hence damping the amplitude. So you can see that SHM is not just a topic in physics, it is a force that binds together the nature, technology and human life. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम है सूर्यांश और मैं चंडीगढ़ सेक्टर 40 शारदा सर्वितकारी स्कूल से आज मैं आप लोगों को अपना मॉडल कॉनिक सेक्शन दिखाना चाहूँगा।